MapMaker is a separate program that uses the RV Park software's database to create and manage park maps for the RV Park software. The program can be accessed from either the RV Park software's setup panel, or if you check the box when installing or updating RV Park, you can use the shortcut on your desktop. There are a few prerequisites that you will need to do before using MapMaker. First, you must have defined all of your sites with the RV Park software's setup panel item site definition. That is the easy one. Second, you need to have a computer-based image of your park map in the same directory as your RV Park program. This image is best if formatted in approximately 1600 wide by 800 pixels high. You would be close to what you need. If it isn't in that size proportionally, the software will stretch it to what is needed. That can distort your park map some, but usually isn't too bad. You might not be a Windows guru and are wondering how to get the image from, say, your desktop to wherever the RV Park directory is, right? Very quickly, I have a typical park map image on the desktop and my RV Park program icon. First, find out where the directory is. I will go to the RV Park icon, right-click on it, and select the Properties option. From there I can see the location of the RV Park program. Next, I need to navigate with the computer item in the Startup Windows area to the desired directory, and then drag and drop the image into the RV Park directory. So, that would be the hard part done. The first time the MapMaker software is launched, you will need to first set the width and height for the panel. If you are using multiple computers, this whole operation should be done on the smallest screen computer. If you don't, you may not see all of your sites when you go to the smaller screen computer. With that said, first enter a large number into the width field like 99,000, and select into the height field. Then enter another large number like 99,999, and select on the number of maps required drop-down box. Select 1 in the number of maps required drop-down box. The panel will maximize and the map frame will be visible. We selected 1, but depending on what you do, and how you organize what you do, you may need more than 1. If you only have a park with RV sites, cabins, and some primitive camping on one map, then you just need 1 map, but if you rent RV sites and boat slips which are on a second map, you may want to select 2 maps, and if you have a third map, for say storage, you can use a third map. You have up to 4 maps. Next you need to bring in your park image. Double-click in the map image name field and all images in the RV Park directory will be provided. Select your park image in the list and press the Continue button. Your map image will be loaded and you are ready to start placing the site boxes on the map. You can add a tab name if you like using the Map tab text field. All that is left is positioning all of the site boxes on your map where they belong. Note the boxes can be sized to best accommodate your map image. The button for adding site boxes will have the site alias name on it to help know which map it will be placed on. If the next site belongs in a map that is not selected, you will need to first go to the right map using the tabs on the top before pressing the button. Let's add the first site box. When you press the button, the new site box will be added in the upper left corner. You need to left-click the ball, and while holding the left button down, drag it to approximately the right location for that site. Note, if you try to click and drag the box again, it must be dragged to a location past the outline of where the box was initially placed. Otherwise, when you release the button there will be no difference. That is why the tweak box pop-up is displayed. By pressing the arrows you can tweak the active box to exactly where it is needed. You can also use your keyboard to tweak the box. By pressing the D key, it will move down, the U for up, L for left, and R for right. If you accidentally place a side box on the wrong map, you can right-click the box and get a pop-up for deleting the box. If it needs to be resized, left-click the ball to select it, and change the size in the side box size field. When you get the box in its best location, just press the button for the next side box, move it to the approximate location, tweak its position, and go to the next one. You can also move the legend to the best location for each map. Just left-click the legend and while holding the button down, drag the legend to the new location. Since you have at least one map active, when you return to RV Park software, there will be a new button on the main panel called Maps. This is a fairly simple tool to create and manage your maps. After a few site boxes are placed on the map, you will be moving through it pretty quickly. The tool instantly stores any changes you make to the maps. When you add new sites, just change your image and resave it in the RV Park directory. Add the new site in the RV Park system and use MapMaker to add the site box. Remember, if you want to turn off the Maps feature, just set the number of maps to 0, and the next time RV Park is loaded, the Maps button will be gone, but all of your work setting up the maps will still be there, should you choose to use it again. That concludes the MapMaker overview video.